How to reverse money on Capitec app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to download and install the Capitec app on your device. So for that, open up Play Store or App Store and search for Capitec Bank. Then have this application installed on your device. Once it has been installed, open the Capitec app. Now the first thing you want to do here is log into your account. So for that, tap on the sign in option and enter your credentials and get logged in. Once you have been logged in, you want to select the transact option from the dashboard. Now select debit orders from here. Next, you want to enter your remote PIN. Now select a debit order from the history menu. Choose a reason for the dispute, then accept the agreement. Debit orders can be reversed immediately if disputed within 40 days. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.